Okay, today we're looking at the Kawai K4. Just a note, the center negative on these things, 12 volts, half an amp, and center negative, which is like a guitar. So a lot of people make mistake of getting the wrong adapter and wondering it don't work. Let me switch it on. How do I put that into view? I guess I don't. Oh, you can see it there. The display is on there. We switch it off. It goes off again. Yeah. So that's working. These little buttons need a bit of a clean. They're not too bad. Let's just check. 1 goes to 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, 9's a bit. Oh no, 9 does work, but it could do with a bit of clean. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. They're good. Those are working. Yeah, the buttons are not bad actually, and the only problem I had with this when I got it was that the volume slider over here, I'll get it into view, the volume slider over here, the capacitor had gone on it, so it doesn't do anything. But the problem I have is the keys. If you look here, is that in shot? Yeah, these wobble a lot. That one wobbles a lot, yeah. This one's really off. So I saw somebody who took it apart and put new felt on it, and he suggested some felt, which I do have here on my desk. I'm surprised I'm not surprised I can't see it, but I have it on the desk. So what I'm going to do is to take it apart. I don't need to show you to do. Oh, it's here. There's the felt. It's in front of me. So what he suggested is putting some new felt underneath the keys. You have to trim it down to size. I don't know if this is going to be the fix or what, but something's wrong with these keys. So that's what I'm going to do. Take it apart and see if I can work it out. Okay, I'll be with you once I got everything unplugged.